In this video, we will solve a problem related to common emitter amplifier. Problem is calculate the voltage gain for the circuit shown in following figure. Assume beta equals 100. This is the problem. In this problem, we are saying there are two voltages, VBB equals 3 volt and VCC equals plus 10 volt are used to provide the biasing of this transistor. This is the case of common emitter amplifier. A small signal Vi is used in this problem. We have to find voltage gain. Voltage gain is the ratio of output voltage to the input voltage. So voltage gain is AV equals VO upon Vi. So to find the voltage gain, we have to calculate output voltage VO. VO equals minus GM VBE RC, where VBE is the base emitter voltage due to signal Vi. GM is the transconductance, which is equal to IC upon BT, where IC is the DC collector current due to biasing voltage, and VT is the voltage equivalent of temperature. The value of voltage equivalent of temperature at room temperature 27 degrees Celsius, it is 26 millivolt. So to solve this problem, we have to calculate GM and VBE, and GM equals IC upon VT. So first we will calculate IC, and to calculate IC we have to perform DC analysis of this circuit. For DC analysis we have to set Vi equals 0. So we will draw the given problem again for DC circuit, which is like this. In this problem, material of transistor is not given, so I am considering silicon transistor. For silicon transistor, base emitter voltage VBE is 0.7 volt as indicated in this figure. To calculate IB, I will use KVL in base emitter loop. KVL equation can be written as IBB RBB plus VBE minus VBB equals 0, which is written here as. From this equation we can write IB equals VBB minus VBE upon RBB. VBB is equal to 3 volt, RBB 100 kilo ohm, and VBE for silicon transistor is 0.7 volt. So put these values in this expression and calculate IB. In this way we can calculate IB equal to 0.023 milliampere. We already know the collector current IC is related with the base current amplification factor beta and base current IB as IC equals beta IB. Value of beta is given in the problem as 100. So put the values of beta and IB. In this way we can calculate IC equals 2.3 milliampere. Now we already know the transconductance GM equals IC upon VT. VT is the voltage equivalent of temperature. At room temperature 27 degrees Celsius, the value of voltage equivalent of temperature VT is 26 millivolt. And IC we have calculated as 2.3 milliampere. So put these values. In this way, transconductance Gm will be 92 into 10 to the power 3 minus 3 ampere per volt. Now keep in mind the small signal hybrid pi model of BJT, where R pi was given as beta upon Gm. R pi is the input resistance between base and emitter looking into the base. We have to calculate the value of R pi. Put the value of beta and Gm and calculate. In this way, we can calculate R pi equals 1.09 kilo ohm. To find output voltage due to signal, we have to perform AC analysis of this circuit of the given problem. For AC analysis, all the DC sources are set to 0. So we will set VCC voltage equal to 0 by connecting this terminal with the ground, and we will replace this voltage source VBB to the 0 volt by shorting this voltage source. So this circuit can be replaced by its AC equivalent circuit like this. In this circuit, VCC is connected to the ground and VBB is shorted. So this is the AC equivalent circuit of the given problem. To find output voltage due to signal, we will replace this transistor using small signal hybrid pi model of BJT, and using this model we can redraw this circuit as shown in this figure. In this figure, at the place of transistor, we have drawn the hybrid pi model. Here R pi is the input resistance between base and emitter looking into the base. VBE is the base emitter voltage due to the input signal Vi. Gm is the transconductance. Here VBE is the voltage across the resistance R pi due to the input signal Vi. This voltage can be calculated by multiplying R pi with IB. So VBE equals IB into R pi. Now we have to calculate IB. See the figure carefully. Vi is across the resistance RBB plus R pi, because this is grounded, this is grounded. We can connect this by a wire. In this way, Vi will be across RBB plus R pi. At the place of IB, we can write Vi upon RBB plus R pi into R pi. Now put the values of R pi and RBB and solve this expression. On solving this expression, we can write VBE equals 0.011 Vi. Now the output voltage VO equals minus Gm VBE RC. So put the values of Gm, VBE and RC. We have already calculated Gm and VBE. So on putting these values, this expression can be written as VO equals 3.04 Vi. In this way, VO upon Vi equals minus 3.04, and the ratio of output voltage to the input voltage is the voltage gain. So voltage gain can be calculated as AB equals VO upon Vi equals minus 3.04.